I'm not going to use an open of a kit. Right, as you can see, the balance suspended. The face is taking a bit of the weight, but the carbon rod, it would my fiberglass would be buckled under that type of strain. It is under a little bit of stress. It's pulled down, it's quite tight, but I always think with a telescopic pull you need a little bit of stress. It's got some collapsing, so but you can see it's under stress. It's about a 90-degree apex. It's taking the weight of the ballon and obviously tied down at the fence over here. I rate for 2.5 kilos or 2.8 kilos, but you can see the wire's tight there, tied down. These kits, 70 quid, posted. Kind of range, carbon fibre mast and a 40 to 6 metre antenna kit. All you need is coax in your radio. Not bad. This is my QRP coil kit. It takes up to 100 watts. Very lightweight, a lot lighter than I've seen on eBay. I'm selling these for 70 quid. I'm trying to work out the postage packaging. I'll look at 20. I haven't actually tried the SWR on 20, like. Okay, that looks pretty clear. SWR on the radio. No tuner. Wait, focus. But you cannot worry about that. You don't need an ATU out in the field. We'll try. Hang on. We'll try 17. It will be 17's a WRC band, but you'll never know. Let's have a look. No ATU. Up to 2. We'll tune. Yeah. We'll just turn that off for now. We'll go up to 15. Nothing about. No ATU. Pretty flat. That's obviously it's an end-fade half wave, 40 meters. It's designed for 7 megs, 14 megs, 21, and possibly 24. I'm not sure that's a WAC band. We'll have a look. About 1.8 won't break the radio. So up to now we don't need an ATU out in the field. You know that. This is 10 meters. 1.4. That's not bad, is it? Comes with a 10-foot carbon post. I don't make much on these. It's just a little hobby I got going, and I see people paying hundreds for similar items. One day less homebrew. Bye bye. Sorry, I didn't do this properly. I showed you the performance of the antenna, but what I didn't do is show you that it's a genuine mice kit. So here we go, the wire. Up through the bathroom, out the window. Out the bathroom window. Across the lawn. Set up with a 20-metre length coax. A few ferrite beads clipped onto the feed point. Lash to anything you want. The pole. Again, it's taking the strain of the ballon and the wire, and it's lashed down there, and it's a genuine review with minimum ATU. Brilliant little kit, and I'm surprised. I mean, I do tweak them to perfection, as close as I can anyway, and there's quite a few getting sold there and loads of good feedback. Anyway, 7-3.